at this point, even though we're not ready to blow, everything's ready to blow. It doesn't matter how long it takes me to mow this 2-3 times if I want, but the driveway, all the way down, everything up around the house, the gazebo, because it's done. Everything that has to be blown is ready to be blown at this point. That's a must. I said that in yesterday's video, but I wanted to just emphasize that. You know, that's the way to save a lot of time when standing around doing nothing. So, yeah, I'm gonna get on this field, tag teaming with my man Dalton. Thursday. Lots of grass to cut, boys. Got the crew. Got the girls ready to roll. They are fired up and ready to go, ain't you? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Knock this day out like a champ. All right, boys, another big property. Definitely one of the favorites. For the mowers love it. Yeah, anytime these big mowers get to go wide open on these big open spaces, they're loving life, boys, loving life. So today I guess we'll just continue on the breakdown of how the 3-man crew rolls through these big properties and how we all finish up at the same time. And yeah, let's do it, man. Let's do it. All right, boys. Dalton's over there in the big field, cutting it for the first time. Long stripes today. We gotta make time. We double cut it last week's video. You ought to go back and see the footage there. And my man Ian down here weed eating. He just got done push mowing duties. So on this property, split it up. Ian went up there, did his push mowing in the backyard. Then he comes down, gets on weed eating duty. Dalton got the field. I have double cutted this patch, and I'm getting ready to go up there, cut the house. All right, and then we'll come back here and double cut that. All right, boys, I'm gonna pull Dalton into here to help me double cut this area. Then we'll both come back out and boom, finish tag teaming that together. All right, that's the plan. Alright boys, I figured I'd stop and talk to you for a second. The way this property broke down was Ian, he push mowed the backyard where the pool is and then starts weed eating. Alright, that's his mission. Dalton started off on this big large field while I was over at this field. From the driveway there all the way down here to the road. So by the time I double cut that field over there, Ian was done push mowing and getting his weed eater ready. Dalton had cut about a third of this big field. So at that point, Ian's weed eating. I grab Dalton. We go up there to the gazebo fenced in area together, tag team that real quick on a double cut, and then we both come out of the gate and tag team this big field that he's on right now. That being said, at this point, even though we're not ready to blow, everything's ready to blow. It doesn't matter how long it takes me to mow this 2-3 times if I want, but the driveway all the way down, everything up around the house, the gazebo, because it's done. Everything that has to be blown is ready to be blown at this point. That's a must. I said that in yesterday's video, but I wanted to just emphasize that. You know, that's the way to save a lot of time of standing around doing nothing. So, yeah, I'm gonna get on this field, tag team it with my man Dalton. Alright, so at this point, I'm going to grab Dalton and have him start blowing because Ian's almost done weed eating. Alright, he's at the end of his weed eating stretch right there. Alright, now, the rest of this field, the Turf Tiger 2 can knock it out, no problem, with a double cut. Alright, that thing rolls fast. So, Dalton's going to start blowing, Ian's going to take a break. Alright, he's been out here slaving away. Hardcore. See, look, he's the one who's been working, so he gets to take a break if he wants right now. You know, if he wants to jump on the mower and finish it out with me, he can. But in my opinion, he's just push mowed and weeded everything that he was asked to do. So I'm just gonna let him sit in the truck, cool off in the AC, and yeah, Dalton will blow and I will mow. I've already blown this place, 60 something times already in my lifetime so far. So someone else can blow. I don't feel bad. All right, so what's happening now? We did have a little pile of debris up near the house that needed to be moved. So they're gonna ride up. Ian's gonna move that pile of debris, and Dalton's gonna blow up there. But while they did that, since I had to take a break anyways, guys, look, since I took a break anyways to direct traffic there for a second, I went ahead and rolled the windows up in the truck, cranked the AC on, and that way when Ian comes back down from his short mission, he can cool off in that air-conditioned truck, all right? And it's instant coolness for him. It's I think it was 100 degrees real feel right now. So, man, you can't push guys too hard ever. It doesn't matter how old, how young, experienced, non-experienced. It's hot out here, and he deserves to sit in the truck and AC. So, me and the matching Turf Tiger are gonna knock this out. Double cut. I'm almost done. Got a little bit. It was scraggly. I had a bunch of stick-ups, man. I haven't sharpened the blades this week. It's okay. I'll double cut it. 18 miles an hour on the scab. It's been busy. I've been mowing fast and hard, and I have not been filming anything. So it's too much work right now, trying to catch up. But in the situation, what do you guys think about the situation? All right. So the homeowner here has moved. All right. The new homeowner is moving in tomorrow. Their signing date is tomorrow. My past client that just moved out paid for last week's cut, but not this week's cut. So do I roll the dice not knowing who the new customers are here, who the homeowners are? All I have is a name. They haven't told me to cut the grass, but it needs it because it's on schedule. I've had this property for 5 years probably, so do I just go ahead and cut it? Do I cut the grass today just for a welcome to the neighborhood cut? And then, you know, we all hope and we all assumed they would let me continue to cut the grass if I went ahead and did that, right? So my thinking is, if I can secure an account for the rest of the year or for the next 5 or 6 years just for a quick $75 mowing, I think it's worth it. I don't know, what would you guys do? Just let it grow until the new people contacted you and you just kind of hope that they contacted you? Or what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and mow it, put the diamonds in it like we did last time, and I'll leave a little note in the front door. Since I know his name, at least I can address the note by his first and last name. And just let him know, hey, complimentary mowing, welcome to the neighborhood. You know, if you're not going to mow your yard yourself, please allow Elite Landscapes to continue services here. Whatever, $75 out of my pocket, it's worth it. What would y'all do? Let me know. We got work to do. Side to the other side. Oh, you good? You good? Yeah. Look, no damage done, but wow. Think about if that thing would have shot off on somebody. All right, we're in a good mood, right?
Yes, sir.
You in a good mood, Ian? You in a good mood? Why are we in a good mood? We got up early. It's 6 o'clock. We deducted 2 from the list, pushed into Monday, so that way we could have energy for tomorrow's list. It was hot out there today, and yesterday, and the day before, and the day before, and the day before. Anyways, we're home, we're done. We're gonna load, and we'll be back tomorrow, right? Y'all be back tomorrow?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.